friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm taking you to HomeSense and showing you all the new fall decor that they've gotten. HomeSense, if you do not know, is part of like Marshall's Winners, and it is very similar to Home Goods in the US. So right off the bat, we had this outdoor decor for Halloween, which I thought they were super cute, the pumpkins. And then I have to say that HomeSense pumpkin game was very strong. Lots of different pumpkins, different textured pumpkins, different colored pumpkins, different styles of pumpkins, and a variety of prices. And of course they had my favorite pumpkins, which are these kind of like jute rope, or I don't even know how you would call those pumpkins, but I absolutely love those this year. And then they had ones that I would say could be good dupes for some of the pumpkins that you can find at Pottery Barn. I loved this vase or whatever this would have been. I couldn't find a price for it, and I was a little scared to take it off, but I slowly turned it around just to see the price. I am loving all the Hocus Pocus stuff that they had. My front porch last year was Hocus Pocus themed, and I'm thinking I'm going to be going with that theme this year as well. And I loved these hats as well. I thought they were super cute, and the price wasn't overly bad. $30. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. And they also had the same style for skeleton heads as well. I'm not too crazy about those. As you can see, lots of Halloween decor. I love this broom. On the fall aisle, lots of different pumpkins again. There's some Thanksgiving stuff, harvest stuff. I love this corn. I'm thinking I'm going to come back and get it unless I find it cheaper at the grocery store. Lots of wooden pumpkins. I actually stopped by at Dollarama and saw that they had beautiful wooden pumpkins, just a couple just today. So let me know if you would like to have a Dollarama shop with me kind of shop, or look with me haul. I thought these look with me video. I thought these baskets, the acorn baskets, were so cute. You could use them for storage, maybe hide some treats in there, and a lot of like I said, a lot of different textures and different styles of pumpkins. And I love all the wooden decor that they have as well. Or is it rattan? Is that what you would call those pumpkins? Let me know down below. Lots of hay. I actually have this type of florals, and I loved the look of this one. I did not realize that was a hedgehog when I picked it up, but I thought that was cute. And of course, again, the little hay or wheat. Looks really good in fall decorating. I love using it, and they had lots of that as well. And here are those dupe pumpkins I was saying. I think they were very well priced, and kind of like that terracotta looking ones. And they had 3 different sizes, and I think the starting price was $16.99, I believe. And then the most expensive one was the $24.99. Oh no, $9.99. So $9.99, $16.99, and $24.99, I think, were the prices. They had some different style of candles. I haven't seen these before. Doesn't mean they haven't had them. I just haven't seen them. And then pillows. I love this pillow. And again, I always find that their pillows aren't terribly priced. I like this blanket, but we'll go into the blanket section in just a little bit. Again, lots of those style pumpkins that I like. Lots of wooden pumpkin decor as well. And then these were I loved these candelabras as well, and I think I could probably make some of these candelabras myself. I made similar ones before, but those looked really good. Maybe I'll consider DIYing something similar to that. If you didn't know, I do have a DIY channel where I share a lot of high-end dupe type of DIYs. So if you are interested in that, make sure you head on over. It's linked in the description box. Here are some more of those acorn baskets, and again, lots of different candles, lots of Thanksgiving decor. Our Thanksgiving is in October, so I typically, when I decorate for fall, I do include Thanksgiving as well in October. And here we are with Halloween again, and those jack-o'-lanterns on top were similar to Pottery Barn as well. They had some glam decor, some cute decor. I did not see any Disney Halloween decor. Last year they had lots of it, but this year I have not seen one except for coffee. Their florals were pretty good. Lots of wreaths, lots of different styles of wreaths. I think pretty much a wreath for everyone, and they weren't priced terribly bad either. They all were about the same price. And then they also had garlands as well. I don't usually use too many garlands for decorating for fall, but maybe I should. I'm not sure. As far as the floral picks, they didn't have a lot, but they had some, but I could not find a price for them. For all your pumpkin spice enthusiasts, that includes me as well, they do have the pumpkin spice flavoring, coffee flavoring. It is the Slim brand, which I believe is the same as the Skinny Girl brand. I think they just rebranded. And they had pumpkin spice, they had creme brulee, they also had the maple pumpkin as well, which are all delicious. I try to limit how many of those I buy, but I will have to go and pick some up for fall. I loved these little serving trays. I think they were beautiful. Again, these little bowls as well. You could serve soup in them or desserts. I think they were super cute. I was trying to find a price for these trays, but I could not figure it out. And then they also had these nice trays. I think they would be cute for charcuterie. I'm not overly crazy about the little metal design on top. I think if they just left it all wood, they would have looked better. Mugs, lots of Snoopy mugs. I love this. It's fall, you all. Or what does it say? It's fall, you all. I like that mug, and for $5.99, I think that's a pretty good deal. They also had these Halloween plates, which I thought were super cute, and they weren't overly pricey either. For $12.99, I thought that was a pretty good deal as well. And if you love using table runners on your tables, they had a great selection of variety for fall. Some were more Thanksgiving-ish vibes, and some were for Halloween. I don't typically have a table runner for Halloween. When it came to kitchen linens, they didn't have a whole lot. They had this pumpkin patch set, and then they also had this pumpkin, and then there was a different kind of looking ones behind that pumpkin as well. But I think that was it. And then for tablecloths, they had these, I think they cover the whole table, and then they had just some that are just small, like squares. These placemats were leaf placemats. I thought that was really cute as well. But then pretty much you can use any. These are very similar to the ones they have at Dollarama, which I'm pretty sure I should go back once they get more and show you all the stuff that Dollarama has. I did love these. I thought these were really cute. They also had these round pumpkin ones, and they also just have the kind of like a random ones like these, which I think you can definitely use them for any season, and then just style the plates more for the season. The pillows, they had lots of like orange, burnt orange, bright orange, kind of that fall colored pillows, just plain ones, and then they had few that had also designs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little walkthrough. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and make sure you stay tuned till the end, because I go through some blankets and throws as well. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching.